In 1997, a computer beat the world chess champion. The whole planet panicked. The headline said machines will take over everything. That was almost 30 years ago, guys. And today, the smartest robot on Earth still cannot fold your t-shirt. Your laundry is safe. The socks have nothing to fear. So how does this make sense? Simple. Chess only looks hard. To a computer, chess is easy. 64 squares, fixed rules, pure math. It is a math problem wearing a crown. Now, look at your laundry pile. Really, look at it. Every shirt lands in a shape no shirt has ever made before. Soft fabric, infinite shapes, zero rules, a computer's nightmare. Scientists call it Moravec's paradox. Hard things are easy. Easy things are hard. Your hands and eyes took millions of years of evolution to build. Chess was invented 5 minutes ago. Nobody's brain was built for it. So a toddler picking up a sock beats every robot on Earth. That is why your phone destroys grandmasters and your robot butler doesn't exist. And factory robots? They work because the factory is made chess-like. Same part, same spot, same move a million times. No surprises. It is starting to change. New robots learn by watching millions of videos of hands. Some can fold a towel now. Slowly, like it might explode or something. But a fitted sheet? Not in this decade. To be fair, you can't either. So easy for you is hard for it. And the other way around. Next time AI feels scary, remember, this genius loses to a sock. So if you like this one, tap the like button. That even a robot can manage. And consider subscribing. The next lesson is already tumbling in the dryer. Thanks for watching.